Hey, listen up. If you don't know how to set up test mandates in Tosca, you're not just missing a trick, you're risking your career. In a multi-user environment, not mastering this feature means your test results could be so inconsistent, and your boss will notice the errors. Worst case scenario, you might even get fired. So let's get this right, okay? Now, what I was going to say, first you go into the green area, okay? And we're going to create a demo execution list, okay? So create a little folder, create a folder, demo execution list, okay? And then we're going to go to our test case, which is start Chrome in incognito mode. Drag it over. And now we've got an execution list, and we've got an actual log, and we've got the test, okay? Now, if we run the test, we got a little green check mark. Happy days, okay? Now, in the execution list, right? Let's do this. Let's go create a test mandate. You see the little blue man there? He's the one that puts man into mandate. That's how you'll remember it, okay? And we call it demo mandate, okay? Demo mandate. So, got an actual log, okay? So what we do is we take the execution list and we drag it in there. Okay? And you'll see your action log is after changing to a little blue check mark. That means it's a linked result. Now if we hit F6, I can confirm it opened up Chrome in incognito mode on my second screen. So if we look here at the actual log, we'll see we got one pass. Now this execution list could be on 100 different machines, okay? They will all feed, each one of those executions will feed into this actual log here. So instead of overwriting the same result again and again and again 100 times, because you've used the mandate, it'll get its own separate entry in the actual list, so you can get a view on how things are actually running, right? So as I've executed the demo mandate, so after running, I've opened the actual log for both demo mandate and the original test object. You've seen that. So remember, this is not a multi-user environment. I'm trying to simulate it. Each tester creates and executes their own test mandate concurrently, meaning at the same time. And here I'm simulating the process in a single user setup. But the principle remains the same. Mastering test mandates is crucial. Not knowing this could lead to chaotic test results and, in a professional setting, severe consequences for your career. So if you found this walkthrough helpful and want to avoid a potential career disaster, hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. And you can join me on the Telegram forum. Thanks for watching, and make sure you get your mandates in order.